it's Katie with Safewise. Today I am unboxing a smart security kit from Deep Sentinel. Now this is a brand I am not totally familiar with. This is my first time testing anything from them, and most of their stuff is aimed toward commercial and small business security. So I'm curious to see how this will work in my own home. Whoa, that's a lot of cameras. Got this first one. How do they fit together? Am I dumb? I think I figured it out. Battery, duh.
Battery 10%.
These boxes. Okay, all right, this is the install kit. We have stickers. Looks like an included screwdriver, which is nice. Masonry drill bit in case you're putting this into stone or brick. And mounts for the camera. That. And this will go on the wall. Okay, we've got this one. Ethernet cable. And it'll just be the power source. But it looks like it's got that Ethernet port and the Cat5 cable. I'm guessing this is where I'd have any local storage where the cameras will send footage to. This will be the brains of the operation. I'm going to be testing and installing these over the next month. Let me know if you have any questions or anything you want to see about or from Deep Sentinel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.